Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man. Here's your update for Bitcoin. It's important to make this update. I'm still on holiday, but I have some news for you guys. So please enjoy this. And yes, of course, that's not a financial advice. We are starting now. Guys, this is a 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. What can we see? We are going up a little bit. We saw a bad down going Bitcoin here. We saw a dash cross here. And yes, we went down really hard on the 4-hour time frame. Every candle is 4 hours. What can we see? Here is the ribbon band, and we are fighting now with the ribbon band. If we are zooming in a little bit more, we can see the hard fight. Not only the ribbon band, also a big fight with this green line. This green line is from the golden cross dash cross, and it is an important indicator. You can see the green one is the SMA 50. SMA 50 on the 4-hour time frame for the moment, a big thing. We saw a confirmed closing candle over this, but now we saw a confirmed closing candle with a long wick to the upside, and that's not good, guys. That's a little bit dangerous now, but we are still over the green line. Everything is okay. We are still fighting in the ribbon band. Okay, everything is okay. Everything is okay as long as we have confirmed closing candles in the ribbon band for our time frame. We need to hold this one. That's important to see more power to the upside. What else is important, and this is here on the downside, you can see the MACD brown line under the blue one. Yes, that's good. We have green nice candles to the upside. As long as we have green candles here, everything is okay. If we are building red one, we need to watch. So this is the 4-hour time frame, and that's the first thing to watch. What else can we see? Maybe we are building now a really wonderful inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. Look at this, left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder. Maybe this was the right shoulder, or maybe we are forming a right shoulder. That's the big question. And you know it, guys. We have a trend line and we have a technical target. The big question is, where is the trend line? Maybe we can use it like this one, and then we can make a trend line to the downside from the lowest point. It was this point here on the downside. Maybe like this one here. It was a perfect hit of the 0.786 Fibonacci, 17,600. I told you this, guys, and it was a perfect long position here on the downside. So I hope you are in a long, not a financial advice. I'm in a long position, and the big question is, how long can we go now? If we are breaking out here on the upside, or if we are breaking out there from this trend line, over this trend line, from this inverse shoulder, head, shoulder, we have a nice technical target. Look at this. It's fitting wonderful. It's really perfect. Why? It is the next Fibonacci. It's the 0.66 Fibonacci. This is a really wonderful thing. It would be a trade from the big chop hook. I hope I can say it like this one in English, but it would be a really perfect trade. Shoulder, head, shoulder, inverse, a bullish pattern, a breakout over the trend line to the upside, a nice price about 25,800. This would be the next thing what I'm watching. If we can break the ribbon band, if we can see more confirmed closing candles here over the green line, and so on and so on. That's a really big stuff. But guys, why I'm showing you this all, there's a little bit more news, and I would like to show you this one. I have a video out there. Maybe we can see a massive crypto dump to the downside. I have a little short video out there. Not much people are liking this one. Yes, I don't like it also, but attention, June the 30th is a really important date, and it is also an important weekend. It is the last weekend of June, and we have some things to watch. We have here the Fed to watch, and we have the Monday to watch. It's the 4th July, the 4th, you know it, guys. There's in America the Independence Day, and it is a federal and banking holiday. It is a perfect setup for another mega crypto dump. So this is showing us this article. I showed you this one here, I think yesterday, and I think it's really important to speak about this. So June the 30th and July the 4th. Let's check this one here. Let me check this one on CoinCodex. What is CoinCodex predicting us? You know it, guys. I'm making now every day a CoinCodex price prediction for the day. But for the moment, it's predicting us we will go down here more and more. We will go down to 17,900 again. We will go down, and maybe more and more. So if we are watching this one, let's see. We have extreme fear in the market. You can see it. We have a really bearish sentiment. Let's check this one. we are bullish only with 39%, we are bearish with 61%. And if we are watching here on this point, we can see our simply moving average, 200-day simply moving average and the 50-day, they are here on the upside. And you can see they are here on a really, really high point, about 29,000 and 39,000. So these are the big resistances, okay? But that's not so important for the moment. More important is the RSI 14. You can see we are still oversold here. And we are coming up to our big thing. That's this point. That's a resistance. You know it, guys. Everything under 30 is oversold. Everything over 70 is overbought. And for the moment, we are here extreme oversold. What else can we see? And that's a big thing what I would like to show you. These are the next big supports to the downside: 19,900, 19,200, and 18,700. 18,700. If we can go up here more, we have resistance levels to watch with a little strength, that's 21,000, with more strength, 21,600, and with the most strength, the biggest one to watch is 22,300 for the moment. And now we are here. This is the price prediction for the next 7 days. You can see the price prediction is telling us we are going sideways here. We are going a little bit down, maybe tomorrow about 4%, 2%. We are going sideways here on 20,000. And if we are clicking on showing more, we can see here is the weekend, June the 30th. This is showing us we're going up to 22,000. After this, a dump down again to 20,000. After this, a little up. And then July the 3rd and the 4th, down again to 20,000, but no big dump. CoinCodex is showing us no big dump. It is showing us a really big dump after this. It is showing us a really big dump here after July the 14th. Look at this, about a minus about 26%. We're going down to 15,000, 14,100, 13,200. We are going down on July the 19th, down to 14,200, minus about 32%. This is showing us CoinCodex. It's not the same thing what we are watching here on this post from me, June the 30th until the 4th, the mega dump. But guys, and that's a really big stuff we need to watch. Set your stop losses. If you are in a long trade like me, attention, we may go down more. 14,000, July the 19th, in 1 month, we may see 14,000. That's showing us CoinCodex. So it's really important. And that's why I'm showing you this video. It's really important, guys, to make stop losses. If you are in a long position like me, from this nice spike to the downside, from this nice spike to 17,600, what I told you, if you are now in the long, you have a nice long position. Look at this. We can measure it. Maybe from here, let me tell it, 17,800 up to this point where we are for the moment, and you are in the plus with 18.8%. And guys, if you will go down to 14,000, everything is lost. Your nice long position is lost, your profit is lost. So it's really important to set stop loss positions. Yes, it's possible to lose this or to that the stop loss position will sold you out or will sell you out. Yes, guys, that's really possible. But it's better to trade like this and you make profit. So better to stop loss you out here with a nice win. And after this, if you're going down, it's no a big problem. 40,000, it's no a big problem. You are out of the trade. You took the profit to the outside with a stop loss position. Now the big question is, where is the perfect point, guys, for set a stop loss position? That's a really, really hard thing. I'm showing you what I mean for this one here. For the moment, we are going up here really nice. For the moment, we have a nice parallel channel from the downside to the upside. It's something like this one. It's a nice green parallel channel. You can see this also on my live stream, guys. You know what? I'm streaming live stream for 7 days a week. I'm always there with any questions. And in my opinion, it's now a little bit dangerous. It's now a little bit dangerous because if we will fall out of this parallel channel to the upside, it's maybe not the best time to set a stop loss position. Maybe under the parallel channel. So the first thing I'm watching is this one here. Under the parallel channel is 20,700, maybe like this one here, or a stop loss position under ribbon band 24. It's also really interesting. And what's also interesting, we are building higher lows. Look at this. And if we are going down, maybe under this point, 19,800, it's the last chance, in my opinion, to make maybe a stop loss position. But guys, it's really hard to say to you where to make a stop loss position. It is a thing that you must be here if you are trading, that you must be on the PC and that you must watch this one. You have to watch if you are buying higher wicks to the upside, it's maybe a nice point to go out. You have to watch if we are buying a candlestick pattern. You have to watch so much things. That's not all. And I cannot say to you all the things I want to say because it's a really fast update for you. But guys, I'm telling you, use stop losses. And it is possible to see an inverse shoulder at shoulder, but everything is telling us, Coin Codex is telling us, and the news are telling us we are going down again. So guys, attention, attention, attention. Guys, that's a really quick update for Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours Biti. And yes, of course, it's not a financial advice. Bye, guys.